Hey, it's me. Today I'm breaking down 5 lawful, consent-based ways to keep tabs on phone messages from another phone, without crossing any lines. Quick note, if you don't have explicit permission, stop here. Laws are strict and privacy matters. Number 1. Family controls built into the phone. Apple Screen Time with Family Sharing. Google Family Link. It's transparent, age-appropriate, and follows platform rules. Always talk to your kid about what's being monitored. Number 2. Cloud account access with permission. iCloud backups, Google backups. If they agree, you can review relevant data from your own device using their credentials and two-factor approval. No guessing passwords, no bypassing security. Consent in writing is key. Number 3. Linked devices in messaging apps with consent. WhatsApp, Telegram, other messaging apps supporting linked devices. If the person agrees, they can add your phone as a linked device so you receive messages in parallel. This only works when they authorize it. If they remove the link, access ends. Respect that. Number 4. Company device management. Mobile device management, MDM, can apply policies and retain work message logs in approved apps. This requires clear written policies and employee acknowledgement. It's for corporate data on corporate devices, not personal snooping. Number 5. Transparency first alternatives. Sometimes, the best solution is a conversation and clear boundaries. For families, set expectations and use app-level safety settings. For teams, keep work chat on approved platforms where retention is documented. Shared inboxes, notification forwarding, email copies, only with agreement. Red flags to avoid, no spy apps that hide on someone's phone, keyloggers, secret installs, SIM swaps, cloud hijacking. If it feels sneaky, it's probably illegal. And it definitely breaks trust. If you're unsure what's legal where you live, talk to a qualified attorney or a certified digital safety professional. I've added reputable resources in the description and pinned comment to help you navigate this the right way. If this helped, like the video. Share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more straight talk tech tips and support. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video. Take care and monitor responsibly.